Hi all, welcome. Today I've got a Louis Vuitton unboxing again. I know on my previous unboxing that Louis Vuitton Capuchin, I've said that my CA is leaving. She is. This one is actually ordered from 2 months ago. She's still with Louis Vuitton right now until the end of this month, and I am lucky enough to get this one. Now let's start unboxing. As usual, my little boy is helping me because he loves unboxing so much. So let's see what I have from the side. It's a little bit tight, I know. Push. The other way.
That's called pull.
Okay. This box is a little bit difficult. I think I've got a shoe box, or as my CA called it, a drawer box. So now here is my new baby, the Toiletry 26, the summer collection. I don't know exactly what collection is this. It is a hard to get item. I wait around 2 months for this. What do you think? You don't like it?
No, not at all.
Oh my god, but I love it. Okay, thank you, and now I'm taking over.
Okay, you're welcome.
Seems like my little boy doesn't like it, but I like it very much. This is the Toiletry 26 in Raffia with leather trimming in tan color, and the LV logo here with the flowers are embroidered. It's so pretty. Mine is made in Spain. No fit. This is a hard to get item, and I've said it that I wait 2 months for this. The inside lining is just fabric lining. Here is the model number and the name. Hope you can see that. I don't know if I will shop a lot from Louis Vuitton after my CA left, but for now I think this is my last piece from Louis Vuitton for a long time. Well, hopefully so I can save some money. Thank you so much for your time, and see you again soon, guys. Bye.